Hello everyone, my name is Virendra Kumar Srivastav and by professional I am full stack Java developer as well as trainer. Overall I have 12-year IT experience and I provide online AngularJS training and also provide training of Java, C++, Angular and React.js also. I provide professional level training and now I am going to discuss about the AngularJS topic and the first topic is introduction to AngularJS. In this section, we will discuss about the AngularJS, what is the AngularJS and how we set up the environment in our local system. And then we will go for TypeScript. In TypeScript, we will discuss about what is the TypeScript classes, interfaces, inheritance, constants, and what is the scope of the variable, and what is the arrow function, and what is the template string, and what is the module. And after that, we will go for Angular's component. In Angular component, we will discuss what is the component, how we create the components, and what is the templating, and what is the interpolation, and how we binding the data, and what is the event binding. After that, we can go for attribute directory. In this session, we will discuss about the ng style and ng classes. And after completing the directory, we will go for structural directory. In this session, we will check the conditional statement like ng if, ng for, ng switches. And after completing structural directory, we go for creating attribute directory. In this session, we will discuss about nested component, passing data to nested component, passing data to parents component. And that means we will discuss how we communicate the parent component to child component and child component to parent component. After that, we will discuss about advanced component. In this session, we will discuss the life cycle of the component, what is the element type, what is the encapsulating component style. After that, we will discuss about services. In this section, we will discuss about building service, what is the service and how we use service and how we implement services in our application. And after that, we will go for pipes. What is the pipe and how we create the custom pipes. After that, we will go for forms. In this section, we will discuss about template driven form, reactive form, what is the reactive form and how we validate the form validation and how we create the custom validation. And after that, next subtopic is routing. In this section, we will discuss what is the routing and how routing works in AngularJS and how we configure the routing in Angular and redirecting route to another route, defining link, using route parameter, defining child route, controlling access to route with route codes, activating a route with code. And after that, we will go for module. In this session, we will discuss what is module, why we use module, how we create a feature module, and adding component pipes and services, creating a shared module, injecting and accessing shared modules, component pipes and services, and lazy loading module. And then we can go for last topic is additional topic. In this section, we will discuss about Angular CLI. What is Angular CLI and custom provider for existing service and how we provide the custom provider and building and packaging for production analysis, the bundle and refactoring, AOT and JIT compiler. Thank you very much.